Enhance your 3D printing experience by adding peace of mind and insurance with the BlazeCut T-Series Fire Protection System. This system is simple and cost-effective fire protection for small enclosures, designed to rupture and expel the extinguishing agent when temperatures inside the enclosure rise above a critical threshold of 120 degrees Celsius. Let's break it down. A proud member of the NFPA, BlazeCut is a leading automatic fire suppression systems global company. All systems are designed to improve the way the system can perform to protect you and your assets in any environment. Products are tested at their in-house testing facility as well as accredited testing institutes. The BlazeCut T-Series consists of a heat-sensitive tube sealed on each end by a stainless steel fitting. The T-Series tube is both the storage and detection unit equipped with the extinguishing agent stored directly inside with no additional storage device required. As the temperature rises, so too does the pressure within the tube. Once the temperature in the enclosure rises above critical, the detection tube melts at the point where the temperature is the highest. Melting the tube creates a hole, releasing the pressurized extinguishing agent onto the source of the fire. It utilizes the HFC extinguishing agent, which is an extremely effective, clean, and non-toxic extinguishing medium. The agent contained inside leaves no residue, does not conduct electricity, corrode, or cause shock damage to electrical appliances, making it the ideal choice for sensitive devices. This system is easy to install, does not require power for activation, and can be used universally on almost any small enclosure. BlazeCut has created a revolutionary product that is quick and easy to install. With no power supply, no residue, and completely automatic, the self-contained BlazeCut T-Series Fire Suppression System is perfect for your print farm or enclosure. With safety in mind, protect your home, workshop, and employees with this simple, automatic fire extinguisher. To learn more and to order yours today, go to MatterHackers.com.